What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing this McLaren F1 GTR British horsepower. It has the Gulf livery. This is personally my favorite McLaren F1 GTR that is ever made. Hot Wheels or just in real life, it's my favorite one. So let's get right into the unboxing. So as you can see here, I have my McLaren F1 GTRs lined up here, all the ones I have, and then I have my McLaren F1s over here. You guys might be asking, why do I have two black ones? Well, this one is the black mainline. This is just my basic 99-cent car. And then this one was the Jay Leno's Garage Premium. So this one is slightly different. It has a little bit more differences, like in detail and stuff, than the mainline, besides the wheels. But yeah, I'm super excited for this. If you guys wondering where I got this, I got it at AceDiecast. We took a trip over there, and I am releasing a video, probably, I don't know, before or after this one, showing you the shop and showing you what I got, so you guys can go check that out. And go check out the store if you live near there. But yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. So this is, I've been looking to get this for a very long time now, and I'm super excited to have this, and we'll put it on the turntable for you guys. Oh, the packaging is like split into two pieces of plastic, which is a little bit weird. I'm trying to open this up carefully. There we go. There's a reason why I'm opening it up carefully. It's not because like I'm gonna save the card or anything, which I might save the card. There's a separate reason. I'll leave you guys to figure that one out. You could answer it in the comments if you think you know why. And if you watch my channel regularly, you would know why. But here it is. I'm so excited to get this out of the box. Boom. And then there's the packaging. Here is the actual car. I am so glad that my dad found this. It was tucked away, and I don't think anyone knew it was there. So this is by far my favorite livery for a McLaren F1 GTR, the Gulf livery. They have a second Gulf livery. This one is the British one, and then the other one I think is the Thailand one. And I do want to get that eventually, but this one is still better. This one's 100% better. So I will be putting it on the turntable in a second. But for comparison, this one obviously has real rider wheels. The wheels match the in real life model very accurately. Metal chassis. And the wing, I believe, is plastic, but it's fine. You can see the headlights are slightly different on the Premium. The Premium definitely has more detail. Obviously, it's more expensive. But other than that, everything is the same. Besides the wing and the headlights being different, the taillights are the same. Well, the mainline GTRs don't have taillights. The F1 regular ones do, which I don't know why they did that. But yeah, it still looks good. We'll throw it on the turntable for you guys so you could see it. Let's go do that now. So here it is on the turntable, guys. I was talking about a diecast shop, and we just got back from it today, and I was so excited to unbox this. Definitely wanted to unbox this before anything else. And I don't really know. I believe I got, well, two of the things I got were not in the box. And if you want to see what I did get, check out my community tab. And if it's not on my community tab, you'll check out the video that's either upcoming or already went out. I don't know which one I'm going to put out before this or after this video. But if you do want to see what I got, check out the community tab because it will definitely be on there. We got two cars that are out of the box. And then we have, I think, we have four of them that are in the box. One of them I'm going to open. And then the rest I'm going to keep, and you guys will see why. But yeah, there it is. McLaren F1 GTR British horsepower Gulf livery. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's pretty short, but that's okay. we probably hit 1,000 subscribers by now, by the time I'm unboxing this, because we're at, I think, 981 or 982. So thank you guys so much for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.